Hey guys! Welcome back to Geography. This is me Shahina and this is your Shahrukh. In this video we're gonna see how to make mini pizzas. But before entering into the video, subscribe, like, comment, share and click the bell icon to never miss the current updated videos. Let's look in with the ingredients. The first ingredient is gonna be 1/2 cup of warm milk. And then comes the yeast. So it is about 2 teaspoons. Then at last we will need is the sugar. So that is 2 teaspoons. So let's now take the mixing bowl. Here we add up all the ingredients. So 1/2 cup of warm milk. 2 teaspoons of yeast. Maybe you can choose instant yeast. And sugar at last. Now mix it until it combines together. After it is, then cover with a plate and keep it for around 10 minutes. Hey guys, so now we are meeting up after 10 minutes. So let's keep it aside and see the other needed ingredients. So they are maida, that is 2 cup. Then comes 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And at last 2 tablespoons of oil. Here we go with making the dough. So here it is. Now let's add up all the ingredients what I said now. So 2 cup of maida, that is the all-purpose flour. 1 and 2 cup. So it's completed. And here comes 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And the last and final one is the oil. So 2 tablespoons of oil. Let's mix it. So guys, a little mix with spoon, and now you can use your hand for making the dough. So only your hand can help you in making the dough. Here we get it. Now we are supposed to do is rub some oil on the dough and knead it one more time. Maybe you can cover it completely. Now guys, you are supposed to take a plastic wrapper and cover it for up to 30 minutes. Meeting up after 30 minutes, so here it forms like this. Now all we have to do is that divide the dough into half and just flatten it. Here it is well flattened. So guys, the most important thing for the mini pizza is that the small round. So if you have a cutter, then you can cut it with it. But I don't have a cutter, so maybe you can take a bowl or a cup which is circle in shape. Guys, I hope you remember that the activity right now we are doing was being done through another video, that is the donut making. So if you didn't still watch the video, then I give you the iCard, just go through it. Guys, you could see these many mini pizza bases. So let's go. Guys, we are near the flame now, so we're going to toast these bases. Before toasting, at the other side, we are supposed to take a fork and make holes like this. Actually, the holes which you make should not be in such a size, because it should be so thin as you see here right now. So don't make the hole so broader, it won't look so much good. So after you did with all those holes, you can twist the base. So we will do every bases like this. Hereby we completed making the pizza bases, and now it's going to be the time to make the real actual pizza. For making this, we will need is tomato ketchup, and next comes chopped tomatoes, onions, and some olives. I took green color, you can take the black one. And here comes some seasoning: white pepper, black pepper, salt and chili flakes. So they are all about the flavor you need. And here comes the optional one. If you are the non-vegetarian, then you can use the chickens. If not, then you can just avoid it. Then at last here comes the grated cheese. Here we go. Hey guys, so here comes the mini pizza bases. Now let's apply the tomato ketchup. Spread it using a spoon or a knife, whatever you have. Now the chopped tomatoes. So you can use little quantity. Next comes the chopped onions. You can also use like colorful capsicums. Now we are gonna add the cheese. We need to add cheese totally for about 2 layers, but right now we are adding for the first one after tomato sauce, chopped tomatoes and onions. Now we are going with the optional item, that's gonna be the chicken. So mainly for the non-vegetarian persons. So the vegetarian persons can just skip the item. Here guys, so after the chicken we are gonna add is the second layer, that is the cheese. And now comes the olives. Either you can use the black or the green one. I'm using the green one. So it's according to your wish. I'm using about 3 olives for each pizza. Now after the arrangement of olives, here comes the seasonings. So let's first add chili flakes. Chili flakes is very helpful in spiciness. So if you want more spiciness, then you can add more chili flakes. Here comes salt. So salt can be chosen for up to a pinch. That's more enough for a mini pizza. Now comes the black pepper. So the black pepper can also be chosen for up to a pinch. Then the white pepper, the same, a pinch. You guys all might have guessed where we are. So we are near the microwave. So I'm gonna keep this in the microwave for about 2 minutes. If you are keeping in the flame, then you are supposed to keep it at least for 5 minutes. And don't forget, you're supposed to close the lid. That's very important. I hope you people could see the mini pizzas. So the cheese gets melting. So let's see the final touch. Hey, where's the pizzas? Oh, here they are. Whatever we added, everything gives up a good flavor. You could see the cheese, so it melted very well. As well, the chili flakes, salt, white pepper, black pepper, everything balanced and combines together to give up a good flavor. So this is the best mini treat forever. Hey guys, I hope you will love this mini treat. If you like this, then subscribe, like, comment, share and click the bell icon to never miss the current updated videos. Tata and bye-bye.